Hello everyone. We're going to see how you can generate complete forms using the AI capabilities built into KoalaForms. Before we begin, you'll need an AI connector that allows KoalaForms to communicate with a language model. Once you've installed the connector plugin, navigate to Settings, Connectors in your WordPress dashboard. From here, connect your Anthropic account by entering your API key. As you can see, I've already configured the connection. Now let's switch over to the AI form generator in KoalaForms. The interface is divided into two sections: Prompt Panel and Preview Panel. Let's create our first form. Create a simple event form with 2 steps. In this example, we're showcasing KoalaForms multi-step functionality. The AI not only generates the required fields, also organizes them into logical steps, creating a cleaner experience for end users. Now I'll click Generate. KoalaForms is now sending the request to the connected language model, in this case Anthropic, which analyzes the prompt and returns a complete form definition. KoalaForms then automatically renders the generated form in the preview panel, allowing you to immediately review the form. The form has now been generated successfully. Before we test the form, let's take a look at one of the developer-friendly features. If I expand Show Debug Log, you can see the communication between KoalaForms and the language model, making it easier to troubleshoot prompts and understand your token usage. Now let's see how the generated form behaves from a user's perspective. The first thing we'll test is validation. If I click Next without completing the required fields, the form displays the validation messages, preventing users from continuing until the required information has been entered. For the event name, I'll enter WordPress event. I'll continue filling in the remaining event information step by step. For the event type, I'll select Seminar. Next, I'll choose July 8th as the event date. Number of attendees, I'll enter 2. Click Next. We're now on the second step. I'll enter the first name, then the last name. For this demonstration, I'll use John Wick. Next, I'll enter an email address. Then I'll provide a phone number. The organization name is optional, so I'll leave it empty, since there are no further steps. Now I'll click Submit. The form has been submitted successfully. Now let's switch to the Submissions page. Each time a form is submitted, KoalaForms automatically records the submission for you to review. Here you can see all the information that was submitted through the form. Since it's only test data, it can be deleted once you've finished reviewing it. At this point, we've successfully validated the form and submissions. Everything looks good. I'll simply click Use this form. The AI-generated form is now imported into KoalaForms, where you can continue customizing it using the form builder, add integrations, configure notifications, or publish it on your website just like any other KoalaForms form. Let's preview the form on your website frontend, how it looks with your theme. Filling this form with all the event information and organizer details just we did during the AI form preview. All the validation would work the same. As you can see, the submission is completed successfully, and a confirmation message is displayed. And that's it. We've tested it from both the admin interface and the front end. We hope you found this demonstration helpful. Thanks.